Hello my honeys, welcome back to my corner. So today I am bringing to you another Ipsy Glam bag unbagging. Yes honey, it's gonna be another makeup. More makeup and more makeup. We love makeup. So yeah, so I am excited to see what's in here. And like I said before, it comes with the card, and I'll leave the card, all the description of the card in my website at www.sammysbeautycorner.com. But I will be having a link in the bottom bar. So, okay, so we're just going to go right in and open it up. So, here we go. Let me put on my glasses. Okay, right now, as I haven't looked, the bag feels very textured. So, I'm excited to see what's up with that. What's going on there, honey? So, I'm excited to see what's up with that. So, ready? We're going to get it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that. I love it. Oh my god, it matches my outfit, too. How freaking cute. Oh, I love it. Oh my god, it's cute. Okay, so yeah. So let's move this out of the way. So we can put that right here. Anyway, okay, first thing I'm going to grab is the card. Okay. I'm going to grab the card first. And it says August 2019, Better Yourself. This month, use your 5 glam bag pics to celebrate and highlight all the things you love or are learning to love about yourself. There you go. See, and it got the pictures of girls on it. Okay, anyway, so yeah, and as you know, and then it tells about the add-ons, then and you open it up and it gives you the information about the products, but we will be doing, I'll be putting this on my website, so you can check out the card at www.sammysbeautycorner.com. So yeah, check that out. So let's dive in and see what kind of products we got. I'm going to use this for a little reference. Turn on that light. Hope that light don't make a big difference. There we go. The first thing I'm going to be grabbing is this. Okay, it's a nail lacquer. Fantastic. This is from Color Club Nail Polish in Estray Traffy. Yeah, that's what it says. So let's open it and see what it looks like. Okay. Oh. Oops. So it's like greenish blue. It looks blue on there. Is it blue? Huh. Well, we're gonna put a little, well, you can't really tell with the, camera, but this, let me put it on my finger. I'm gonna put it on my finger. Okay, I think that might have been a big mistake because now it's gonna get over. So that's what it looks like. That's not really pretty on camera. It's like a dark green. It's like this color, but a little bluer. See what I'm saying? Okay, so yeah. Just check this out in a minute, let it dry. Okay, so that's cute. I don't know if I don't know if I could dig it though, but I'm pretty sure I can find somebody who will. How cute that. Okay, so next thing we're going to be grabbing is, let's see, what is this? Okay, this is Estate Cosmetic Eye Shade in Pipe. Eye shade, it says eye shade. I don't know what eye shade is. But yep, we're going to look into this and see what it is. Okay, so it looks like this. And I guess that's the color. How do you open it? Oh, my fingernail. Okay. Oh, it's pretty. It's like a shimmer eyeshadow. See? Okay. Don't keep moving the bitch. Okay. Anyway, let's do a little swatch on. Okay. Oh, it's very pretty. You can see that. Ooh. Okay, ready. This, wow, I like this. It really comes out nice. Can you see that right there? I should have shaved my arms. Okay, alright, bitch. Okay, so that's great. We got three more products. So let's see. Next one is looks like the chapstick. I don't know what words are. It looks like that. It's just plain white and nothing fancy about the packaging. It's just plain white. What is this? Incredible Jelly Shot Lip Quencher in X Reverence, and it has a hard to open plastic thing on it, so I'm not going to be able to open it on camera. Oh wait, I got it. What is this? Oh, ooh, look at that. It's like jelly. See that? It's like jelly. Okay, oh nice. I'm gonna try this, even though I just wear lip gloss. But okay. So yeah, so that's what that is, and that is great. Okay, so let's go in and see what else is there. Oh, look, inside's pink. I didn't even show you guys inside. And it says Ipsy right there. Cute pink and, lip liner. Oh, this is from, where's this from? This is from Hoodoo Beauty, our favorite. Hoodoo Beauty lip color. And, okay. So we're going to do a little swatch right here. Oh, that's pretty, see? Wow. Okay, we're going to give this a try because, you know, I like their eyeshadows, and I wonder if their lip gloss is, or their lip pencil is bad, good too. Probably is. Because I heard a lot about Hoodoo Beauty. I think Hoodoo Beauty started with a YouTuber that, Yeah, I think that's what I heard. So let's see. Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Trophy Wife. That's that. Okay, and last but not least, we have a Havan. Why can't I pronounce it? It's a body lotion. Haba? Is that Haba? I know I'm probably butchering it, but it's okay. So it's a body lotion. Just open it and see what it smells like. It has a little foil. You don't need to see that right. I don't actually have everything. There we go. Okay. Okay, it's just like regular body lotion. You know. Regular body lotion. Don't really smell either. But let's see what it says. Hava Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. So I guess it's make out dead sea water in it. Okay. I'll give this a try, see how it feels, let y'all know about that. And alright, and that is it for the August Ipsy Glam bag unbagging. That's the last bit of my products. So we got some body lotion, we got some ice, we got some body, what do we got? Let me go down the line. We got some lip contour, and we got some eye shade, we got some body lotion, jelly shot lip quencher, nail polish. We are good to go. Anyway, so yeah, so that's what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag plus unbagging. So, alright, so that is it for the Ipsy Glam bag unbagging. So leave me a comment down below. Just say, leave me a comment saying, hey, how's it going? You know, just saying, hey, touching base, love you. I love to hear all your comments, and it makes, you know, it's a treat. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, hey, hit the subscribe button, because I would love to have you guys join my honey crew, and, you know, just hang out on my corner like a hooker. But yeah, yeah, you can hang out with me on my corner, and we can just talk about makeup and have a good time. So if you like that, give it a thumbs up. Anyway, I love you guys. I love you all so much. And I'm going to say, see ya, and I'll see you here on my corner in a little bit. Okay, I love you guys. I love you all.